think the only brave thing I might have ever done in my life was once I worked at a mafia nightclub out in Youngstown, Ohio. I was 19. I was 19 years old, right, and I didn't know. Underscore about the mafia me father was the baddest underscore I'd ever seen. So the mafia didn't mean underscore to me. I did not relate to the mafia, and I worked with this lady satin doll. She was star of the show, beautiful black. Stripper, right, because usually in those days they had like in clubs they had a singer and a stripper and MC and she was the first black star Everman said, now Jack Collins, because Duke Keelington had written a tune about Harry, you know, that's what she used to dance Ado and act. She was beautiful, she was. 69. Oh, it's this underscore was fine though, man, I'm not lying, Lena Horne. Didn't have underscore on her and she was crying backstage, you know. I got to get to Buffalo, they won't pay me. But I said, who won't pay you club owners? Wanna say, oh, that underscore gonna pay me, but that and I. No, this is how ignorant I was. I had a cap pistol. No, then blank starter pistols, I busted into the office with this underscore number. All right, give meth money. Doing my best black underscore, you know. You know that underscore usually scare white tato death applause. And these underscore didn't down a thing, and I'm sure that those men are sitting in that room today laughing. Because that's what this dude, he's ass strong, love this underscore kitty, wait a minute, hey Tony. Come here, women, rich dude, the gun again, he Tony, come here, stick up underscore kid, come here. He's got a pack of goosies. They like to huggy and rub it applause music foreign. Hey, everybody out there, damn, it's all right, it's gonna have a time they paid. Everybody off, let everybody go, and kept Micah. Pepped him like this because you see you got a family anyway, you got family Lino, is it Carmen? Tell him I call him back, tell him it's a stick up in these underscore start telling Ritter stories. Hey, remember when? Uzi, hey, remember when? I made my underscore bones out with the right underscore teamster big. Mouth hurt a lot of people, right? Jan always picks my thing, Rich. So we underscore had to drive down Majani Salami. The Gabuzzo brothers, on the funeral parlor, you carry Weber, your underscore kids that we take. Just jerk off our bowling, Yano, drive them around, get in a few drinks. Say, hey, let's get some broads right, a little motel we had set up. Remember the Johnny. So we take them around, it gets kind of. Stone drops his glass, I say, now I pop it with the underscore ice pick right. I'm popping this kind of sucker blood skirting every once your way out. Stabbing, oh God, don't kill me, oh underscore, you guinea underscore, and the underscore ice pick breaks. I'm standing there with the underscore. Peace off, what in my amethyst is Johnny Salami, what do I do? I'm Genesis Winkle and mouth size oat hose with the good old days. What's the matter, Rich, you don't look so good? Hey, it's Barlow, give me a little sooner than the bro who got away home give you a ride. Don't go out with the mafia, you can't. Buy him dinner if the underscore like, and they always like to take entertainers to dinner, and they take you to dinner and they pick up the check all the time, right? And if you get mad, well, you say, let me buy the check tonight, God. Damn it, you guys buy me dinner every night. Hey, the kid, let me tell you something with crime. And crime don't pave mafia people or weird people back as they appeal. The appeal to your intellect, you know the underscore appeal. Such a you're intelligent person, aren't you, and you realize that it's very difficult to walk. Without using one time, I was in a room with one off these underscore, and I don't know how to describe. You ever seen a face just into stone? I mean, I was talking to the man and somebody was over here talking about something that had pissed him off they was going to deal with, and it went from a nice conversation to me, and a stone thing came over his face was like a chill went. Through my underscore body, it was, I said, to underscore. Dead him looking at a dead man that walks around. God damn it! Because it was just stone, man, it wasn't no compromise, there was nothing in there. Where you could go, there wasn't none of that in the face. And that's a look I'd like to get just a whoop on underscore, y'all know, just say what. Chilling line in the world when the guy said, hey, can you let me off just for all time's sake, like I said, well, it had to be the coldest. Underscore in the world, because the mother said, and you got to get in the car with them then. You got to bake some more in the car. You know, I mean, you ain't gonna stop begging, you know that underscore. Long's got his breath in his body, you say in the car he's talking about hay. Just I remember when I showed you how to Riveno Italian people got all Italian people or not. In the mafia, whether you believe I or not, really most of them. Work fourth mafia, but they're all nice.
Mira, Carlos, mira. ¡Oh! ¿Lo has visto, Gordi? Eso es lo que le pasó a mi hijo. Eso es lo que le pasó a mi hijo.
He's going on a road. No fucking way. No way.
Mike, are you okay?
It was.
Oh no, she's going. She's going.